This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Large 1,558 square feet upstairs and unit with plenty of upgrades and offered turnkey, nicely furnished. This 2-bedroom plus den/2-bath condo has an excellent floor plan with large kitchen and high ceilings. Enjoy sunny south-east rear exposure and lake view from your lanai. Great location as this building is next to pickleball courts and pool. Tile flooring throughout the unit, which has also been attractively repainted. Both baths feature quartz counters with newer mirrors and light fixtures along with frameless glass shower and NBA. New AC system and water heater both installed in 2023. Accordion storm shutters in 2020. This unit has an assigned carport space and exterior storage closet. Comes with social membership, which provides access to all community amenities including pay-as-you-play golf. Colonial Country Club offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, resort-style pools, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and more. This community is highly desired for its high-quality amenities, moderate HOA fees and convenient location near restaurants, shopping, the airport and I-75. Your new Florida home is here. For more information, review the details below.